Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to KT Food KT Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to season the cast iron skillets. So let's go start doing it, okay? First, when you buy it, it's still brand new. I'm going to show you the one I already seasoned, but I'm going to start re-seasoning it again. When you buy it, the brand new one, before you do it, put a towel under the sink so it will not scratch the sink. So you need to scrub it and clean it thoroughly with soap and hot water. Remember to use hot water when you cleaning the cast iron skillet. And you only have to do it one time. And what is seasoning? Seasoning, basically you apply fat on the surface of the cast iron. So when you heat it up, it will create the coating that seals the surface of the pan. So please keep in mind that if it's wet, if it has water on it, it will rust. Hence, you need to coat it with a layer of fat or oil to prevent rusting. So please clean it thoroughly inside out, even with the handles. Okay? So do not use soap after seasoning it, or else it will be removing the coating or sealing of the pan. Instead, use hot water to scrub the pan to remove any residue. And remember to clean it with hot water when it's still hot after you cooking. And you need to clean it while it's still hot and with hot water only. If you clean with the cold water, it will crack the layer of the pan. So after you clean it thoroughly, please remember to wipe it, completely dry it before you put the oil around it. So cast iron skillets tend to get better and better in time. If you use it and take care of them properly, the more you cook on them, the better it gets. So using a very old one like that almost guarantees whatever you're cooking is going to end up really well. So now after you dry it, you put a layer of oil or fat. Please at this time do not use any napkin or paper towel because it's gonna give you like the dust. Instead use a towel and then try to get a coating all the oil or fat inside out with the oil before you bake in the oven. Don't forget the handle. And when you cook the steak, if you want the season and the flavor to smell and taste like the restaurant style, and this is how you do it. I always cook steak in the cast iron skillet. It's give you wonderful, like tasting, so tasty. Hope you enjoy doing this. And you remember you only have to do it one time. Now you preheat the oven for 400 degrees and you bake for 60 minutes, which means like 1 hour. And remember to leave it upside down for 1 hour. Do not remove it when it's still hot. Just leave it in there until the oven get cold and then you can remove it. So just leave it there, bake it 400 degrees for 1 hour and leave it in the oven until it gets cold. See, you can see that I can touch it with my bare hand. And now after bake it, I'm gonna cook it with bacon. So I recommend the first week, every single day, the first week, you should use the cast iron skillet to fry the bacon or anything related to fry. You can do egg, but for the first week, if you do egg, it's kind of a little bit sticky. But after a week, the more you use it, the better it is. It will become non-stick. You will love it. People tend to have this pan if you inherit from your grandma or great grandma. You like everyone treasures a lot. But if you don't inherit any from your grandma, you can season it and use it for years, and later you can give it away to your granddaughter or your daughter. They will love it. So I recommend, remember, on the first week, try to fry it every single day, or at least twice a week. It's very simple, and the good news is the cast iron is very inexpensive. It's only less than $20. It costs roughly less than $20, but it will last you forever. But the bad news is it is heavy, so be careful when you hold it. I love my cast iron skillet. I use this roughly for the bacon and the steak. If you haven't seen my video how to make ribeye steak, I'm going to post the link down below the comment and in the description. Please follow the recipe, try it, and let me know how it turned out. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to let me know. I will try to answer as quickly as I could. And if you don't understand my accent, please let me know. I will try to explain in a better way. Or if I say something you don't understand it, please do not hesitate to let me know. So I use this, the first week I always fried it with bacon and fry the eggs. At first when I fry the egg, it's a little bit sticky, but don't worry. It's because I can always use the scrub to remove any residue on the pan. Remember, after you using the pan, the skillet, please do not wash it with the soap. Do not clean it with the soap. Only clean it with the scrub without soap and with hot water only. Remember when it's still hot. So after you clean it thoroughly, you dry it completely dry before you reapply the oil or fat for the surface and inside out, including the handle, before you store it away. That's how you prevent the rust. Because when it's still wet and you don't coat it with the oil again, it's you will see rust. So if you keep this and the way I have instruct how to keep it, how to clean and how to coat and clean it and how to keep it, it will last you forever. That's the good news, huh? And now after I clean it, I dry it. Dry it with the towel and reapply the oil. Even the inside and the bottom, outside and the bottom as well. I know it seems complicated, but it's not. Some people, every time I recommend people to use this, at first they think it's heavy. I know it's heavy, but it will give you really, really good taste. So it's worth it. And you only have to, coating it right and clean it right and to keep it, and it will last you for a long, long time. Again, guys, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to let me know. If you don't understand my accent, please let me know. I will try to explain in a better way. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button or with the notification. Please click on thumbs up and share. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you enjoy my video. And I hope you can do this. Please give me any feedback if you do it right or wrong. Please please comment down there. I usually and tend to respond to all the comments within 24 hours. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And remember, when you store the pan, last but not least, please do not stack or cover the pan. You just leave it like this and upside down like this. Do not stack anything in or on it or cover it with a lid. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.